Installers are the doers of our industry, the hands behind the solutions we've depended on for decades. Their skill, precision, and problem solving keep businesses running. That level of expertise doesn't come from a manual. It requires hands-on training. For that, there's the NOV Pipe School, an interactive certification program designed to sharpen expertise, refine technique, and empower installers with confidence on every job, no matter the time or place. Designed for customers, distributors, and contractors, our expert-led program focuses on topics designed to build confidence in working with composite pipes. Topics like installation techniques, troubleshooting, and real-world applications. Real training, real certification, real confidence. Enroll now at nov.com/FGS Pipe School.